This is a demonstration of how to assemble the Dresden Corded Traversing System. To begin, you'll need the rail, the cord pulleys, the masters, carriers, the cord connectors, and the twist end locks. Start by disassembling the cord pulley. Just remove the screw on the bottom of the cord pulley, and then the cover slides right off. Then take your cord, find the two ends, then insert both ends through the bottom of the cord pulley and around the wheel inside. Pull the cord straight through and make sure to leave a little slack on the end. Now take both sides of the cord, slide them all the way down into the two cord channels, and pull the cord all the way across the rail. If any part of the cord isn't fully inserted into the cord channel, use an Allen wrench or another small tool to push it down in. Now insert the cord pulley into the rail. And then remove the cover from your return pulley. With the cover removed, take one side of your cord, feed it through the pulley, around the wheel, and then back out the other side of the pulley. If needed, pull some slack out of the other side of the rail. And now you can attach your cord connectors. You'll have one cord connector for each end of the cord, which slides into the bottom of the cord connector. Make sure that the side of the cord connector with the bump faces toward the middle of the rail. Leave 1 to 2 inches of slack on the end of the cord that's farthest from the return pulley. And now you can tighten the screws. Now take your first master, insert the foot into the rail, and insert the cord connector into the hole in the master. Also take the slack, insert it through the middle hole, and wrap the excess around the post. Insert the second cord connector, and then slide the master into the rail. Adjust the cord to pull the return pulley toward the rail. Move your master inward and insert the carriers. Now remove the cord pulley. Take your third cord connector and attach it to the cord. Make sure to attach it on the opposite side of the cord as you did the previous two cord connectors. Slide the first foot of your master into the rail. Insert the cord connector into the master and slide the master into the rail. Go ahead and insert the carriers. Insert the cord pulley into the rail. And now you can secure the pulleys by tightening the screws on the bottom. Once you've tightened the pulleys Now you can slide the covers back onto the pulleys. Tighten the screw on top to secure the cover. On your cord side, you'll need to feed the cord through the cover and pull it all the way through, and then slide it onto the cord pulley housing. Now with everything fastened, you still have one master that moves freely. Move both masters to the open position, and now you can tighten down the screws on your last cord connector. Now you can pull the cord and test the movement of the masters. And normally it's best to go through several cycles of opening and closing to get the masters broken in and moving smoothly. And now the last step is to attach the two twist end locks. And once you're done, the assembly is complete, but it's best to double check the length of your cord just to make sure that it turned out as expected. If your cord ends up being too long, there's an easy method to shorten the cord. Just go to the master that had two cord connectors, unwind the slack, and loosen the screws on the cord connector closest to the cord side. Now you can pull the slack until the cord's shortened to the length that you need it to be. If for some reason you need to add or remove carriers after assembly, just remove the screw from the pulley cover, remove the cover, and now you have access to add or remove carriers as needed. To install brackets, you'll need to remove the pulley. Just unscrew the screws that attach the pulley to the rail. Remove the pulley, and now you have access to slide your brackets into place.